in Tuscany, where the sun turns to gold. Dresses flow like